Well, after being stuck for ages in a traffic jam, we finally made it here to the Hoover Dam. Look, there she is. It's crazy traffic today. You can see how far down it goes. Right down. Crazy. Yep, so we're here. Just waiting to get some tickets and we shall be off. I just wanted to show you this strange thing. We are on the Nevada side of the Hoover Dam, and as you can see, it's 3:10. If I just pan over onto the other side, in Arizona, it's 4:04. So it's 1 hour's difference, and it's separated by a bridge. How incredible.